Hey everybody, this is Hunter, and today I'm trying something new out. So if you guys like it, let me know in the comments. And if you don't, I'll go back to my normal kind of point, shoot, walk and talk type deal. But today I've got a tour on the 2022 RPod 202. This is RPod's largest model that they offer currently. It's 25 feet long, 4,576 pounds dry. It's also standing at 10 foot 7 inches, and this thing is absolutely stunning. I love this brand for a couple reasons. The quality and the frog stickers. Look at that guy, he's gobbling up bees. Here's the pass-through storage. This customer opted to get a Blue Ox hitch. It's a very nice hitch. Run you about $750 installed. Now check out the size of that awning, and you'll see it has two exterior speakers as well. A little outdoor kitchen. You can put a griddle, a sink, and it comes with that mini fridge there. Now they changed from their, their blues and their greens here in the past 2 years to this nice white exterior with an interior color of Tupelo honey. You have a spare tire, a ladder, and a place for an observation camera. Now that we've seen the outside, let's go on in and check this thing out. I said the observation camera line a little bit early. There's Ray. He also does a YouTube channel all about RVs. He's much bigger than me. Now check out these stairs. Solid surface. Bam, bam, bam. Real sturdy. Now as we head into this camper, you'll see it is very nice, light, bright, and very modern. You have the kitchen here in the rear. Let's open some things up and show you. Boom. Really good sized refrigerator, gas and propane. You got plenty of room for a nice long weekend. Man, all the tasty brews and foods you could ever want right in there. You have a lot of good storage in this unit, tucked away in various places. This one's under the sink. Check out all that space. A sink and a 2 stovetop burner. Check that out. You have 2 outlets right there. And you have this nice window for a good view out the rear. More storage above the sink and that stovetop. You got 3 little doors there, and it goes all the way across. Nice. And put all sorts of snacks in there. You also have a convection microwave, so you can use that as your oven. Spin around here, you have a nice, Pete's, closet right in front of that right door. And check out all the space in this. That is fancy. Now you can take those drawers out too if you want to make that a hanging space to turn it into more of a traditional closet. Now that booth dinette right there, it also makes a bed. It also has storage on the bottom left and the bottom right, which you'll see here in just a moment. So you get some extra sleeping space out of that right there. You can sleep probably 1 adult, 2 children, maybe 2 adults if they're real small. Little click-on light. And you have windows all the way around encompassing that slide out. Now I like this storage, although it doesn't have a roll-out drawer, it does go the entire length of the slide. So you can put plenty of your stowaway items there, maybe a couple blankets, or some of the stuff that you just kind of pack right away. This camper comes with solar, which you see there. You got a nice TV. All of your controls are placed right there underneath the TV. You also have a place to see all your tanks, your lights, your slide outs, and you have 2 USB ports to charge your devices as well. And notice the counter space. And what I like about this camper, again, it comes down to even more storage. So right here, you've got a place for more hanging clothes. So as you can see, while this might be a weekend warrior, you can definitely extend this out to much longer trips. 1, 2, 3 weeks, even a month, no problem. You can pack away the clothing and the food that you need. That hunk right there, flexing in the TV, that was me. Give you another little view of in here as I scoot back into the bathroom. The shower's got some places in the corners to put some soaps and shampoos. It's actually pretty large for a camper this size. You also have a skylight up top to get some natural lighting. Look at that bad boy, it's a toilet. We all know what you do there. And that's what sucks what you do there down. You got yourself more storage all over the place. You also have a sink. You're ready to roll. Now this is the storage above the sink here. You can put all your different toiletries, right there. It also has a little lip to keep, those items from rolling around. And you have some more outlets right there. To the right, you have all this storage space. It's incredible. There's an example of the lip I was talking about. But you have 1, 2, 3 of those, and then you got 2 of these pull-out drawers. And right down there, you have a central vac system. It won't suck your feet in. Now, if you guys are in the market for a camper, make sure to email me, give me a chance. I work for a dealership with really great pricing, Couches RV Nation. I would love the opportunity. Right there, I'm begging for subscribers. So if you haven't done that, this would be a good time. Maybe hit that like button. So here, I actually thought that the bed held itself up, but it doesn't. So you're seeing me hold that myself, but there is great storage underneath there, so that's not a feature that I'm missing. All right, you have 2 USB ports and 2 outlets right here. And there's the light to control what I'll call, kind of the side closets. Yeah, I'll call it a side closet. But more room to hang some hanging items. You got this really nice window up front, which you can get a breeze. It's also the emergency exit in the case that you need to skedaddle out of there quick. 2 more USBs, 2 more outlets, and another closet right here as well for more hanging items. A place sectioned off for power and cable. You can even play the little, maybe a little guitar. Well, I appreciate you guys taking this tour. At this point, I'm going to show you one more little quick view of the outside so you can get a look for just how beautiful this thing is. And I appreciate you guys greatly watching. And again, if you have any suggestions on how to make these videos better, I'm trying to do better for myself, so I would love your input because you are the people that are watching my channel. So I thank you again, and I'm welcome for any suggestions. Now again, this is prepped for an observation camera. It's $550 to have a Furrion S Vision installed. This ladder right here holds up to 300 pounds. So since I'm pushing that limit right on the dot, I'm not jumping up there. But keep in mind, about 10 days ago, I was 318, and now I'm 298. So not only am I hustling making these videos, but I'm trying to hustle, make myself have a hot bod too. So who doesn't like a hot RV salesman? That's prepped for a slide topper, 700 smackaroonies to install that bad boy. But again, the 2022 RPod 202. I thank you very much and have a great night. See ya.